All right. Thursday, August 22nd. This time I didn't have to look at my phone, even though I did just to make sure. But a couple things. Our role reversal 50% of the room was bullish, 50% was neutral. I think it was similar as yesterday. So we start going up, and it wasn't easy to say, hey, guys, look out. We're going to have this downtrend. All right. They started doing it in here. Up here, it was easy to say, and we did. Hey, the Bears are maybe in control. Be careful. To expect another 35 points, no, there was some negative talk from Harker that might be setting up a dovish Powell comment tomorrow in Jackson Hole. Keep an eye on that when you trade. And then there was Bundesbank out of Germany saying they don't think they need German stimulus, which the markets didn't like. That was around 2021 even. Now, with that being said, the best call or idea that you could see, put a trade onto, and understand would have been back in here. However, I had not caught most of this downside. So what happens when you don't catch some downside mentally is you look to fade it. And you got to recognize that early. Am I buying it because I missed selling it? Am I buying it to get long because I missed selling it and that was the right side? You got to catch yourself because you'll find long opportunities on a down day because you missed selling it. And then you just start playing price and you get yourself in trouble. The biggest problem on a day like today isn't buying it, getting out, buying it, getting out. It's buying it and holding it. It's buying it and continue to buy it. This is a downtrend. You know that trend is your friend? BS. The trend is not your friend. It's the type of friend that'll sleep with your wife after you die. You don't want a friend like that. The trend is not your friend because after you recognize it, it's too late. It's all over. It's all over with by the time you see it, or you're caught in the damn thing the wrong way. So forget about the trend as your friend. Keep yourself fresh and alive to maybe catch if you want to fade. There's nothing wrong with fading. There is something wrong with when that one fade turns into just too important of a trade. You add to it, all that stuff. So a couple things in here. Before you know what's going to happen, you have to have kind of a ready, aim, fire approach. And I tell people all the time, the best time to predict that the lows might be in, even if it's temporary, on a down day, let's say in a big down day, when is a better time to fade it, is when you get a big pop out of nowhere. Take a look at the bottom right of this screen. Bam, they pop it, right? Well, that wasn't there. I'm sorry. That's the one we tried to get on. This one, bam. Long down bar, made new lows, went into an edge zone that we had sitting down there right here. And then this came storming out of the hole right at the top of the hour, 10 Central. And I told guys, if this thing goes down and makes new lows, it's going to take a while. They got a lot of work to have to do because they've got shorts from up here, here, and here, all with eyes that just got big and round, and they're pissy. When you got shorts that are mad for the first time on a big sell-off, you're going to make it difficult to go down. And what happens? It's chopping. You got shorts all trying to play it to get out right around where they should have got out, where they wish they would have got out. Just think about yourself. If you're short and the market goes down to 04 and then rallies to like 12 in a heartbeat, like, man, I wish I would have got out at 04 half, right? And so what do you try to do? Your mind says, hey, if it gets back down to 4 half, let's get out, buddy, so we feel good. And next thing you know, bam, doesn't get down to 4 half. I said right in here, if we get through this consolidation chop right there, look out above. They're going to clear these swing highs. Why are they going to clear them? Because you just cleared a lot of sellers up in here because you didn't get a lot of longs to pick the bottom because it went up fast. So you removed a lot of sellers and shook them out, and you probably created a lot of buying, and the shorts will start to chase it up, right? That's the path that you cleared. And bam, as soon as it cleared 08, it was gone. I'd replay it, but you guys can go back and do that, especially if you have Sierra. 16, 17 was a target because there was some inventory, but also one thing I want you to remember is what's the next middle of the consolidation box? See this little two-step, draw it across. There is no coincidence that the market has had trouble getting through there for a little bit, okay? So now it's just sideways to lower. If you take a look at our friend the NASDAQ, same setup, same pattern. These are the patterns you want to learn, not bear flags and bull flags and upside down double tops and all that crap. Head and shoulders, get out of here. We want to learn about stuff that we can make sense out of. Head and shoulders only. The neckline, they say when you get through the neckline, I'll give you a neckline. So here, oh, look what I did. You guys got me all aggravated. So right here, same pattern. It gets through the bottom, wham, jumps through. That was the rejection. Then it's having trouble to make lower lows, and it was right through the middle. These are where your eyes got to get trained. This is a consolidation box. Once they get through the middle of there, they slipped up pretty quick. All right. So what do you get from this video? The trend is not your friend. Recognize the right patterns. Put a explanation as to why it could go up or down through this pattern as it's developing. Put yourself in a position to fade it, but not add to it, to fade it and get out if you're wrong, and not just buy it because you missed selling it. Don't just get long because you missed the short. That happens. I felt myself doing that, felt myself thinking that, but I didn't take big losers. I didn't take a lot of losers. I put myself in a position to catch the ready, aim, fire, the better trade that slaps you in the face and says, hey, wake up. This is your fade. Now or down here instead of now.